3. Today we're going to be doing the shunt mod on a 500 watt bike link controller. These shunts are down in there a little bit, but you can see them, there's 2 of them. We're going to heat up, we're going to put a little solder across both of them. I'm only doing about 30%. See how that responds first. So let's go ahead and put this thing back together. Let's get it on the bike and we'll see how it does. Here's 0 to 20 on the dual e-bike link 500 watt. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so this is going to be the 0 to 20 with the dual 500 watt after the shunt mod. 1, 2, 3. 20.